Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great and staying safe from this COVID-19. Today I have a highly requested video for you guys, and there are a lot of messages and requests from my friends and family. They want to know the remedies for their dark circles, uneven skin tone, or acne marks, blemishes, pigmentation, inflammation on the skin. So I have been trying this DIY cream at home for a month and the result is just amazing. And I wanted to be sure before showing a video. So I have tried on my face for a month and it has given a good result. My dark circles, my blemishes around my mouth, the mark on my forehead has lightened up a bit. So it's me an instant glow on my face, and it's very easy, super easy to make at home, and it's affordable for everyone out there. Without further delay, let's dive into the video and see how easy it is to make at home. So let's get into the video. Guys, these are the ingredients which I will use to make this magic DIY cream. I have taken a 2 pinch of turmeric, a clean sterilized jar. You can use a glass jar also, a vitamin C. It's a pure vitamin C glow serum. It's very good. Vitamin C are very good for any aging sign or any fine lines if you have, or any wrinkles or crow feet. I'm using a Guardian aloe vera gel here. Please invest in a good aloe vera gel. There are a lot of varieties available, so please choose carefully. I'm using a Dabur Badam Tel. It's a almond oil, cold pressed almond oil. You can use any almond oil of any brand. I'm using almond oil because I have a dry skin, so it's going to nourish and moisturize my skin. Please avoid turmeric if you're allergic to turmeric. You can avoid this step. Mix it thoroughly. So well that the quantity is properly adjusted before you apply on your face. I'm taking a generous amount of aloe vera gel and a 7 to 8 drops of vitamin C here, and half or 1 teaspoon of almond oil. You can adjust the quantity according to your skin type. I'm going to refrigerate this cream for 2 to 3 hours before I apply on my face, and I prefer using it as a night cream. Aloe vera is so good that it soothes the skins and dark circles. Vitamin C are very good for any aging sign. Almond oil has good nourishment and moisturizer effect, and turmeric, as everyone knows, that it's good for uneven skin tone. So I'm mixing everything very properly so that it gets a good mix, and I have to store it in a refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. This is such a super easy and affordable cream you guys can make at home, and you can try and test it. The result will show in 2 weeks time, so have patience and see the result yourself. Hope you liked my video and found it helpful. Then please share it with your friends and family. Till then, stay safe and see you in my next video.